Hi you guys, we are staying here for a while. I did another short video, but it didn't turn out very good. But this is it, look. This is where we're at. It's a dry lake bed, and we're gonna be here for a little while. It's pretty nice. Tinkerbell is trying to wind up with me when I was going in circles. There's a guy flying a, if I can get it. I don't know if I can get it. I can't see the screen very good, so I'm not sure if I can get it. But we are going to show you over there, way out there. It looks like water, and I thought it was. That is all solar power, all of that. They are filling up the lake bed with solar panels. There's more way over there too. But I'm just amazed. There must be 1 million solar panels out there. There's Xena, the warrior princess, our trusty steed. And there's our trusty sidekick, Tinkerbell. And this is where we've been for the last 3 days, or 3 nights. And it's beautiful. Look at this. We are outside of Boulder City, Nevada. And I don't know if this is part of Lake Mead that's dried up or if this was a whole different lake. I'm a little confused. So I'm not for sure. But I just can't believe all of that solar power out there. All those solar panels. It's millions of them. There must be 1 million of them. And then a whole bunch more over there keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. See the reflection? That's all solar panels. And we're by the Hoover Dam. So they only have the power from all these solar panels, and there's a whole bunch more besides these. They have Hoover Dam right by here. We're real close. So thought it was quite interesting. I'm gonna turn you off, and we're gonna walk over closer. Let me see. Let me do this. Give you guys a better. Now, this is on full zoom. Those are all solar panels. All of that. I thought it was water. It's not. It's all solar panels. Is that amazing? All of that. And then more. Oops, sorry about the shakes. I've got it zoomed all the way. More over there. And then where the sun is shining and reflecting over there is even more. Just millions of them. Literally millions of them. I can't see if I'm getting it. I hope I am. Sun's shining, so it makes it really hard to see. And sorry you guys. There we go. Yeah. Oh, and I gotta get this for you. Look at those. That mountain is something. It's beautiful. And all of those over there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. If there's, and see where this is 95 south and 95 north going the other way. This one that is on this side is south, and on the far side is north. And so there's quite a bit of traffic. It's really pretty at night because it looks like Christmas lights, especially with the truckers with all their fancy lights on there and everything. So I want to thank you guys. We're at 530 subscribers. We're getting there. I hope we get there fast because funds are running out really fast. The car I sold, had all the payments on that. That was keeping me going a bit, but we're happy. We're living our dream. You guys are living it with me. I'm happy to share it with you. It makes me happy. And you guys are my family. I appreciate every single one of you. So have a great day, because I know you can. Peace.